Hi, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website Wildflower Clothing. I really love the name, and I love that you're showing one of your products in the hero image. It would be much better for conversion if you used a tagline that relates specifically to this product, such as you can add shop wildflower design dresses, which is much more appealing and will prompt people to click and shop because your shop name is already displayed in the logo and the URL. So adding a tagline telling what's in a picture will actually get more um, get your visitors more engaged and will want to click and see this image and this product. And obviously make sure to add call to action such as shop now button within the image linked to the relevant product or collection so people can click and shop as well, and optimize all of these images in this sliding banner the same way. And you've got a bit of information about what you're offering, which is perfect collection list. You can optimize this title a little bit further, such as shop ladies clothing, shop summer clothing, which will be much more relevant, much more informative for Google than just collection list, which is too generic. However, you've got nicely optimized collection titles, so that's perfect. It seems like this featured collection is missing an image, so remember to update it. Woman's Small Top, the title is a little bit too generic to help you rank in more relevant search results. So remember to add more details such as women's small floral top with lace up front detail, which will help to get in front of people who are looking for this specific top, because even if you get to the top of Google and beat all of those major brands for this huge and very competitive keyword, people who are clicking to your website could be looking for completely different style of small top. So remember to add as many details to your product titles, to your product descriptions, to ensure that the customer who clicks to your website is looking for this specific product, so your conversion will be higher and higher and higher. But the price is really attractive. I do encourage to remove shipping calculators at the checkout because it is actually proven to kill sales. I've got another video telling you why it is killing sales and how to remove it. So make sure to check out this video, and I explain why this kind of information is very confusing to the buyers and can actually cause a lot of abandoned carts and a lot of abandoned sales as well. Okay, but you've got footer navigation. I would also add the link to your to your shop page, so people don't have to scroll all the way up to go to your products. Obviously, add more trust to signal, add more trust signals such as about us page, shipping policy. Shipping policy is very important as well, so remember to add it too, and add social media links. Be active on social media, so that's Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest if you want, but Facebook, Instagram is the major ones, especially for the fashion brand like yours. Remember to be active, post regularly on Instagram, post regularly on Facebook, because these are really powerful platforms to get more traffic and to get more customers from. Okay, I'm on your collection page, so let's have a look at women's. Again, I would optimize the title a little bit more, as I mentioned before. Also, when it comes to the collection page, move the sold out items to the end so people don't see those kind of sold out products at the top, which will definitely improve the user experience and the browsing experience as well. However, the images are nicely photographed, the layout is great. The product images are cropped to the same height, so it ensures that the images are displaying in line, giving you a little bit more cleaner layout, which is great. And obviously, I already mentioned the product title, so make sure to optimize the product titles in more details. You've got add to cart displayed above default, so that's perfect. You've got no product descriptions, and these are very important for conversion, so remember to add product descriptions. In another video that I link from here, I explain why product descriptions are important for sales and how to optimize them, how to write product descriptions that sell, so make sure to check this video out. Your SEO score is 52 out of 100, which is definitely room for improvement. The meta title, so this is the Google snippet displayed in the search results. It repeats your brand name twice, so that's unnecessary. The Shopify often displays your brand name as default, so you can use this space to add a little bit more details as what you're offering. And obviously, don't go over the character limit when it comes to, it looks like it's not optimized, it's generated because it's cut off. Don't go over the character limit of 165 characters in meta description. Also, your hashtags are not optimized. Remember to use them to insert your target keywords here. And H1 should really be at the top, and then go from H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, which is much better for SEO. Remember to work on a keyword consistency, to work on a more relevant keyword, as I mentioned before. And obviously add written content. Google loves written content, so blogging regularly can help you do that as well. And remember to optimize images with SEO-friendly alt tags too. Optimize your URL so they are shorter, more SEO friendly. That also makes Google it makes much easier for Google to understand the URL structure and what the page is about. And also connect Google Analytics, create Google Analytics account and create it and connect it to your store as well. Your website loads in under 2 seconds, which is great. However, majority of Shopify stores now load in under 1 second. So this is the new norm. People are expecting that's definitely room for improvement. So I do encourage you to work on the loading speed as well. I hope you liked this audit. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you would like to learn how to fix any of the issues mentioned in the audit, how to improve your conversion rate, how to get more traffic and convert more visitors into paying customers, please book a free chat. This 15-minute non-obligation chat with a Shopify expert is available for everyone who booked the audit. So don't miss this opportunity. Ask the Shopify expert any questions you might have about optimization of your online business. Book the chat now. The link is in the email. Thank you so much for your time. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular SEO and e-commerce tips. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.